Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to add a banner in Pinterest. In order to add a banner to Pinterest, you'll need to follow the steps. So for that, what you need to do is log into your Pinterest account. After you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this page, and here you want to press the profile button. Now, to actually go ahead and add a banner in Pinterest, you need to have a business account. So for that, you want to tap on the graph that you could see that this indicate that my account is converted to business. So I'm going to go ahead and press that icon in the top right hand side corner of your screen, and then you could actually see this is how it's going to look like. Now, after which, what you want to do is tap the three dot icon and go to add a cover image. Then here, after which you could go ahead and here you could go ahead and add an image that you wish to, and that way you could go ahead and add your banner in Pinterest. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.